Another recipe with canned tuna? Nah, not today. Sweet, succulent, smoky, smoked tuna stuffed avocados. All right, this recipe is super light and refreshing. It's honestly a great weekday recipe you can take for lunch. You can assemble the tuna salad. Ben's gonna run into a ladder and probably hurt himself. Are you okay? Yeah. God, at least he didn't take the camera with him. But like I'm saying, guys, this is a really healthy recipe. You can make this ahead of time. The avocados you can cut at work and it's perfect. I've got two beautiful tuna steaks. We're gonna give them a spray. I left it over here. Non-stick cooking spray. We're gonna hit this little with Jody's Asian Persuasion because, I mean, tuna, Asian Persuasion, it's like peanut butter and jelly. But we're gonna get both sides. We got the RT340 preheated to 225 degrees. We're gonna let this go for about an hour. And you could use canned tuna, but why when you have beautiful fish? You got a recteq. I mean, kick it up a notch. I'm just saying. We're gonna get this on the grill at 225 degrees for about an hour. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's see you at the recteq. We let that tuna go for about an hour. Super flavorful. Again, leave the canned stuff in the can. Save it for tuna fish with some mayonnaise. We're making some healthy food today. We got that salmon beautifully smoked. We're gonna cut up some green onion, some cucumber. We'll squeeze a little lime in there. Put everybody in the pool, stuff some avocados. It's gonna be fantastic. So January brings a lot of resolutions. People are trying to get healthier, eat a little bit more conservative, maybe go to the gym, incorporate some new lifestyles. Great lunch day recipe for you guys here. Perfect. Put the tuna in a bowl, stuff the avocado when you get there. Banging.
Banging.
It's a pretty big cucumber. You might even only do half of it. When you're cooking healthy, another thing you can also do, incorporate all of the food. So there's tons of flavor here in the lime zest. I mean, packed with some really good flavor. We're just gonna zest it on in here. And you only want to scrape off the outside. Leave the white pith, that can be kind of bitter. So we'll do 2 limes and then we'll juice them as well. But again, that zest, that's where the flavor's at, people. All right, green onion, again, guys, tons of flavor. If the outsides are kind of like, yuck, just leave them. But again, mild onion flavor, good little crunch. And you could add all sorts of stuff in here if you want to add, maybe a little grape tomato, if you want some peppers. I mean, the world is your oyster. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these avocados and we're gonna cut them in half. And then we are going to remove the pit. What we can do is, now you're not gonna fit a lot of tuna stuffing in there. What you can do is take that spoon, cut it out a little bit. Now, that's a hole you can fill, people, right there. Now, I don't think we're letting that avocado go to waste. Boom, in the pool. 2 points. All right, stay with me, Ben. Here we go. We're gonna add a little bit of light soy sauce, about a tablespoon of Sriracha. You like it spicier? You want it hot? Okay. Boom, a little bit more. A little sesame oil, and again, nice fresh flavor. Woo. And the recipe's not gonna say it. Shh. A little more Asian Persuasion. We're just gonna mix this up a little bit. I think I could just eat this. Not done yet. All right, let's slam this thing together. I got my avocados ready to go. I've got my tuna perfectly smoked. We'll get this chopped up. And again, it's not completely cooked. We got about a medium, medium well piece of fish here. And for this recipe, that's completely fine. Now, if you didn't want to cook your fish, you could leave it on there for about 20 minutes. and then slice it up. It'll be like poke, which is kind of like a raw tuna, but like I said, not gonna hurt nothing. Get some really good fish. Perfectly safe to do that. This is sashimi or sushi grade tuna. All right, so now we're gonna mix this up. And again, we're gonna dress that tuna with that sesame, the sriracha, the soy, the cucumber. I think next time we'll get a bigger bowl. And again, you want to let this sit for, maybe 15 minutes or so, let all those flavors, that lime juice get in there. Alrighty. All right, look at this. Looking good. Let's get these stuffed. That's it. If you got any left, just put it in a Tupperware, save it for lunch. These tuna stuffed avocados are looking great. I put a little sriracha on the top because I like to live dangerously. But why not? But I'm telling you guys, put a couple of these in your lunch. You will be the envy of the cafeteria. And all you have to do is just scoop out a little avocado, a little bit of that tuna. I can smell the smoke, citrus. Light, refreshing. If you've never slow smoked some tuna, you guys got to try it out. Super tasty.